you ever wondered how information travels across the globe in the blink of an eye? Whether you're streaming a movie, joining a video call, or playing an online game, there's a powerful technology working silently behind the scenes: fiber optic internet. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating physics that makes it all possible. From the principle of light transmission and total internal reflection to the materials and structure of fiber optic cables, we'll break down how data travels at nearly the speed of light through strands thinner than a human hair. In this slide, I will be talking about something that plays a big role in how we use the internet. What is fiber optic? Fiber optic is a high-speed data transmission technology. It uses very thin strands of glass or plastics, which are as thin as a strand of human hair. Instead of using electrical signals like Cooper cables, fiber optic transmits data as pulses of light. This makes them much more faster and more efficient, especially over long distances. Moving on to the structure of a fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable has three main parts. The core is the center where the light travels. The surrounding of the core is called cladding, which reflects light back into the core through a process called total internal reflection. And finally, there's a protective coating which shields the cable from physical damage. How does it work? Light travels through the core in a zigzag pattern. This is possible because the cladding reflects light, keeping it trapped inside. Thanks to this, fiber optics can transmit data nearly at the speed of light. The real-world use are in many areas of our daily lives. They help provide fast and reliable internet, support video streaming, video calls, and even online gaming.
Enters the stream, it is reflected as soon as it hits the interface between air and liquid. You can see here the first reflection, and then the second, and the third. This occurs because there's a difference between the index of refraction of the guide material, here propylene glycol, and the outside, air in this case. Recall that any time light strikes a surface, it can either be absorbed by the material, reflected from it, or pass into and through it. The latter we call refraction. It's easier to see from a top view. Reflection and refraction can happen at the same time, but if a light ray hits the surface at an angle greater than the critical angle, it will be completely reflected.
I will explain the application of fiber optics and why they are so important in our daily life. Firstly, fiber optics are mainly used in telecommunications. They carry telephone calls, internet data, and video signals over long distance at very high speeds. Because they have high bandwidth and very low signal loss, fiber optics help us enjoy fast internet and clear phone calls. Second, in the medical field, fiber optics are very useful for tools like endoscopes. Doctors use fiber optics cable to look inside the human body without making large cuts. This helps in diagnosing diseases safely and quickly. They are also used in laser surgeries and other medical equipment. Next, fiber optics are widely used in the military and aerospace sectors. They help transmit secure and fast communication signals in aircraft, airships, and submarines. Fiber optic cables are lightweight, which make them ideal for airplane and spacecraft. Another important application is in broadcasting and multimedia. Fiber optics help deliver high-definition television, HD TV, and live broadcasts with clear audio and video quality. They are used in TV studios and by internet streaming services. In conclusion, fiber optics have many applications in our life, from fast internet and clear phone calls to safe medical procedures, modern industry, secure defense system, entertainment, and cloud technology. They make our world more connected, faster, and more advanced.
Alright, next we move future usage and benefit for fiber optic internet. First, we have support smart home and IoT. As smart home grow, fiber optic will provide the strong and stable internet needed to support dozens of connected devices at once. Because of that, no more lag when your sibling plays online game while you're turning on the aircon or checking CCTV remote. So everything runs smoothly together. And next, we have future of healthcare telemedicine. Doctor can perform remote diagnosis using high quality video or robot assisted surgeries from afar, which requires very fast and stable internet. Therefore, you or your family have virtual doctor consultation at home, saving time and travel, especially helpful for elderly or during emergencies. And lastly, we have smart cities and autonomous vehicles. With high-speed and stable connection, systems like traffic light, security cameras, and emergency response can all be connected in real time, so that it will fewer traffic jam, faster help in emergencies, and a safer environmental overall.
In conclusion, fiber optics is a breakthrough technology to our civilization because of data can be transmitted in high speed with little to none delay when transferring or receiving data from another country to others. Another thing also about fiber optics has low signal loss and become when it comes to long distance is very efficient, which reducing costs and also improving reliability when sending data. Fiber optic also immune to electromagnetic interference since fiber optic will be placed on other industrial environment or very high electrical environment, make data receiving or transferring is efficient. Another thing also, fiber optic is future proof and maybe scalable, and maybe in further times or maybe in 10 years or 20 years, fiber optic data that they transmitted to fiber optics become much faster.